Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how the breakdown of how I made this flyer on Photoshop. If you are just come across my channel for the first time, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified when I drop another wonderful tutorial. Without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. So this is the design that I'll be showing you guys the breakdown. So let me turn off the layers of the design. So let me turn it off. So the motive for this design, when they gave me the theme cyber groove, so the idea was to just design something talking about tech and still talking like mixture of that tech feeling, and then at the same time showing a party theme. So yeah, this is the first background. Ordinarily it looks like this, so I don't need the picture to be like this, so I have to clear it away by using the what do you call it, cushion blur. So let me turn it on. What's going on? Okay, let me turn it on. You can see I used about 38.7, I mean. So the next one, I brought in this background. Originally it looks like this, someone wearing a VR, so I added cushion blur to it too. So this, and again brought in another one. Originally it looks like this, like a glitch background. So I only needed I cleared away the down parts. I only needed the top part, so I added cushion blur. So I brought in this party people in a party picture, since it's talking about cyber groove. So I have to bring in the groove theme into it, the groove idea into it. So I added, change the color. I think it was originally orange in color, so I changed it to something like purple or pinkish purple to blend with the background. I added some contrast to it to make it darken a little bit. So I brought in this and the glitch background again. So let me move up. So I brought in this tech, can I call it a tech platform, like a tech board. So I changed the layer mode to screen also. So brought in this, if you remember the image of the person wearing a VR, so I brought it back to be at the bottom right side of the design. So after doing that, I brought in this image, this particular image. So I changed the layer mode to overlay. You can see the normal how it looks normally, so I changed the layer mode to overlay. So I added a layer use the eyedropper tool to select color. Select color from here, from the background, and use my brush tool to paint the sides. Then after doing that, I change the linear mode, the mode to linear bond, then reduce the opacity to 89. Then brought in this image. Then I change the what do you call it? And the layer mode to divide. If you see the normal way it looks like. So for me to clear with this color, I had to change the layer mode to divide. Yeah. So I brought in some effects background to the design. I brought in this one first. Then next to this other effect. Then after doing that, I changed the second effect I brought in. I changed the layer mode to screen, then added some contrast to it. So it was time for me to do the heading. So I first brought in the an umbrella image, then type cyber, then the groove. I had to make it like a cosmic, like a groovy font effect, something like that. So after doing them in groups, so I grouped everything together. Then I brought in speaker image, added some motion effect to it, motion blur effect to it. So wrote the necessary information needed on the flyer. So the down part, I wanted it to be darken a little bit, so I added a gradient overlay to it, brought in necessary icons, social media icon, then wrote the necessary informations too. Then I created the reflection for this. Let me on this. Okay, for this radio, created an reflection. I don't know, maybe you can see it. And then the dates of the event, I created that one too in layers. You can see them. Then after creating them in layers, then I grouped them. Yeah, that's the breakdown of how I made this poster. Can I see this poster, this flyer, using Photoshop? If you like this video, why don't you give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down there if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, and then see you in my next tutorial video.